Welcome to our IBM RPGLE tutorial. Today, we're diving into the %char built-in function, which is used to convert various data type into character format. The %char function in IBM RPGLE converts data from different types such as numeric, date, time, or timestamp into character format. Let's look at an example to understand its usage. First, numeric to character conversion. %char var1 converts the numeric variable var1, which is initialized to 123, into a character string and assigns it to CHAR1. Second, date to character conversion. %char date converts the date variable, which is initialized to May 24, 2024, into a character string and assigns it to CHR2. Third, current time to character conversion. %char %time converts the current system time into a character string and assigns it to CHR3. Now looking at the result. From the first example, it shows character is 123. From the second example, it shows date is 2024-05-24. From the third example, it shows current time is 03-10-53. The %char function is versatile in IBM allowing conversion of various data types to character strings. It's particularly useful from formatting data for display or manipulation within RPGLE programs. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on %char built-in function in IBM RPGLE by programmers.io. Stay tuned for more IBM RPGLE tutorials and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy coding!